Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today we are going to see that how to create a database and how to use the database and how to drop the database. Firstly, I will tell you that what is meant by the database. The place in which all our data is stored, that place is known as the database. So firstly, we will see that how to create a database. Before that, I will tell you that in this playlist, we are using the compiler as mysql. If you want to know that how to install the mysql, recently we have uploaded the mysql playlist. Here you can check that the video. So we will see that how to create the database. We have to write a code as create database, and we have to write our database name as I will give here college, and here semicolon means full stop in mysql. Okay, we have to select this all and we have to click here in the thunder option, second thunder option, and here you can see your every action here downside. Here our database has created successfully, and after that compulsory we have to use that code as youth college, and we have to give a semicolon, and here you have to click. Here you can see that our use college code is successfully, and we have to, if we have to drop the database, then we have to simply write a code as drop database, and we have to give the database name as college, and we have to use the semicolon and select and run. Oh my god, our query is ready in front of us. All the query has run successfully. Here in this video we have shown that how to create a database and how to use the database and how to drop the database. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe this video. Okay, see you in the next video. Till that, Jai Hind.